Hi, everyone. So we made it. Week one down. Now we're in week two. Okay, it was wonderful meeting everyone last week. I wanted to talk a little bit about this week and I wanted to talk a little bit about expectations. Okay, so I will do my best to get stuff done and uploaded on um, Canvas by like Sunday night the week before. Yesterday we had a holiday, so I'm going to put stuff up today. That's number one. Number two, make sure you buy the Bio One Lab manual, the packet. We didn't have lab on Monday, but we will have lab next Monday, and you're gonna have the lab pages from the packet, and we'll be using that. Number three, turning in homework for next Monday when we meet. Monday oh gosh, when is it going to be? The 27th. You only need to turn in the homework for chapter 1, not chapter 2. I didn't notice that. I had said 1 and 2, but only for chapter 1. And then remember, we're going to have a quiz in lab about last week's lab and the scientific method. Grading. I will try to get the grading done as soon as possible. Probably so grading, I'll try to get it done, all the grading then the following week. So we'll do stuff and then I'll try to get the grading back to you a week later. And then it'll be on Canvas. Also online office hours. I'm going to have online office hours. I want to poll and see when's a good time. I'm thinking Tuesdays at 12. That's what it looks like. And yes, and then lastly, I said the homework, please be sure it's about chapter 1 right now, the scientific method. Do that homework. You turn it in on Monday in lab. What was I going to say? Oh, it left me. Now that was it. Oh, yes. For this week, online, it's about the scientific method. It's about conducting an experiment. I think I'm going to have you guys watch a video and then do a quiz on that video. But you should be focusing on chapter 1, homework 1, and you're turning it in on Monday, the 27th. All right. See you later. Have a good week.